Blending performance heritage with cultural flair, Nike is set to release the Kobe Bryant x FC Barcelona x Air Force 1 Low Protro in fall 2025. While Nike hasn't officially confirmed the drop, leaked images highlight a luxurious faux snakeskin upper in deep purple, a nod to FC Barcelona's alternate kits and Kobe Bryant's signature color palette. The sneaker also features black patent leather swooshes for contrast and FC Barcelona's club crest on the tongue and insole. Additional details paying homage to Kobe include a Mamba logo on the heel tab, a signature graphic on the midsole, and a Protro tag hanging from the laces. This isn't the first time Kobe's footwear intersected with Barcelona. A Kobe for Barcelona is rumored for release this year as well. Merging lifestyle with basketball and soccer influences, the design celebrates Kobe's global legacy and his long-standing relationship with Nike and the football world.